A vendor in May Pen Clarendon assault a police officer. However, these police officers, it seems they don't know who to target. In this time when people hardly have money and the man having little car to try make some money, and the police allegedly, as the people them say, a go round, a mesh round everybody. So till in buck up in one individual way, want some money for feed him family and afraid of him. And this is how it turn out. Yeah man, me not promote violence, but each one teach one and each one help one. Police having job to make money, and the farmer and the vendors also have their jobs. So just make it thing work out if you work, man. A lot of time, me see when the vendors them see police, they have to they run. Me see a vendor run or even broken foot already. A lot of time, I see police turn over people, them cat, where they have to spend their money and buy them food. And it's not nice, you know. Yeah, man, it's not nice. We need to sort out something. We need some better system in terms of helping the vendors that is trying to make money, to make a living. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to share, comment, and subscribe, alright? Blessings.